Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make this quick video on this new what is it? A Zippo Armor Brass Lighter. And I just got this in, but I wanted to make a quick little unboxing for you guys. So it came in this little bag. So this is the box. Everybody knows the box. They actually covered this. I bought it actually from Amazon. So if you actually like this lighter, go ahead and I'll probably leave a link in the bottom, and you can go check it out. This is the lighter. Here we got the little warranty paper thingy. And yeah, this is the lighter. Armor case, made in USA, Zippo. The bottom, they actually covered it up. Like I said, I did get this from Amazon. But as long as it is the lighter and it is what I want, I don't mind that they cover this up. I mean, I'm probably not gonna keep this box either way, but some people may not like that. So that's that. This is the lighter. And man, as soon as I actually already opened it and checked it out, but man, this is probably one of my favorite lighters so far. Absolutely beautiful. This was made 2021 H, whatever month that is. And yeah, man, I love it. It does have a gold insert, and it actually matches as well with the date. So with the same month, I mean, and year. So that's pretty cool as well. A lot of people like them to match. Some don't care. I don't really care. But yeah, it's pretty sick. And it's actually, you can actually feel the thickness. You know, you can feel in the way it closes, in the way it opens. You can feel the thickness. And I actually, from now on, I'm probably going to be only buying armor lighters because it feels so nice. And especially this tumbled brass, it's pretty sick. You can't go wrong with this. I mean, it's plain, it looks good, classy. And yeah,